Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have an amazing, delicious dinner idea for you. I'll be cooking fish balls, ugali, and greens, and I hope you do enjoy. So let's go straight to the video. I started by making the ugali, and now that the ugali is ready, I'll go ahead and start making the greens and the fish ball stew. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives. In the fish ball stew, I will only be adding the tomatoes and the onions, and I will let them cook for some time. Then later I will add in water, and here I'm soaking the fish balls in hot water to remove the excess oils. The best of times through color glass. Look at all that oil that came out from those fish balls. Guys, this is a very great hack to remove those excess oils which you don't know where they were gotten from. And also the tomatoes are ready now, and I've already added the water, and I've let it to boil for some minutes. Now I will add in the fish balls and let them to boil for some minutes. Enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. And here is our delicious fish balls and the greens. I'm telling you guys, these fish balls only cost 20 shillings from the market. So kindly go and try them, and when you try them, kindly let me know. This is the next day, and I decided to make brown chapatis, and I'm showing you the flour that I used and also the fat that I always use. And here is a simple recipe of what I add into my brown chapatis. I will add in the sugar, and I use 3 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 spoon of salt, and then I added in the margarine. Then I'll mix them till they are crumbling, and then I will use the cold water to mix. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
And these chapatis, guys, really came out very well and they were so delicious. Kindly try them out. So next, guys, I'll clean up the kitchen. You know the mess that comes up after making chapatis. So I clean up the kitchen so that I can leave it clean.
Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. was wrong to say. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. Been trying hard not to go out of my mind, and all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you.
So if you have come this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and let me see you in my next video. Bye.